Hi, my name is Jenny Ramsey and I am the Senior Product Manager of the Worldwide Product Management team here at Lenovo. I have been with the business unit for about 8 years now and it's been a wonderful journey, but I'm very happy to be one of the ones to be able to show off and bring to market our brand new platforms. So this is the new family of our high-end desktop workstations. This is our P10, which has 4th generation Xeon scalable processors, and our P7, as well as our P5, which have Intel Xeon W processors. These are fantastic new platforms that we have, and not only with brand new Intel technology, but also partnering with our great friends at NVIDIA to bring you the latest generation of graphics cards. We can actually support up to 4 of those cards in our P10 and 3 of them in P7, really making sure that we are pushing the limits and bringing the newest technology to you. So our development cycle for these is a long process, but that gives us time to really talk to our customers, figure out what they need, and take that feedback and make sure that we're making the right decisions for the technology we're going to be putting in these systems. So all of that customer feedback has led us to our flagship product, which is our P10. So we really wanted to design this product to go above and beyond what our workstations could do. And a lot of that had to do with the feedback that we've received over the last few years. So customers telling us, we love what you have, but we need a little bit more. We need this one feature. We took that, and this is what came out of it. This is a product that is meant to address a brand new segment of the market, brand new workflows. It will be interesting to see what our customers decide to do with it. But technology-wise, we can do up to 4 high-end GPUs. We can do things like redundant power supplies, which is not something that you see on workstation right now. And we can do front access storage. So things like this that make it easier and more accessible for our customers. And improve diagnostics, right? Making it so that if there's an issue, which obviously we hope there's not, it's going to be easier for them to narrow down what it is and get the help they need so we can get it back up and running. As for the design of these chassis, we have worked with Aston Martin over the last few years to develop and co-create these new IDs. And with that, although very beautiful to look at, are also very functional. So looking at things like the front grate on all of the systems, we have been able to enlarge the hex perf on the front so that when we need to draw air through and cool critical components inside, that we're able to do it to the maximum ability. So we are using the ID for thermal needs as well. Also, we've actually moved the drive bays to the side to allow for fan optimization, and again, being able to use as much as possible the space that we have. One of the other key components for cooling these systems is our improved air baffle. So P10 and our system P7 both have internal air baffles that work with our tri-channel cooling, basically allowing for 3 separate lanes of cooling to be able to pull air from the front all the way through to the back for optimization of the systems. And then one of the big things that we've heard from our customers over the last little while is they've had to move workstations from the desk side to a rack or even to the data center. We knew that there was going to be more workflows that were hybrid or even remote workflows with everything changing. We wanted to make sure that the P10 and the P7 were both rack optimized. This means these chassis are designed to fit specifically into a rack to make sure that they are optimized for thermal and space. So P10 is a 5U and P7 is a 4U. They will also have sliding rail kits to make sure that everything will be accessible. If it needs to be serviced, it can be done so quickly and easily. Aside from all these wonderful features, we have great new technology. PCIe Gen 5 capable PCIe slots, as well as storage abilities. Now, PCIe is a very new tech. It's the newest tech out there. And so the ecosystem is not big right now. But we try to take into consideration that customers like you are going to use these systems for a long time. So we need to make sure that they're future-proof. So although the ecosystem for Gen 5 is just evolving now, you know that you'll be able to be prepared for any kind of future-proofing, for any kind of work changes, or new workflows that you may need to do in the future. We are very excited to show you what we've been doing and what we have been innovating. But even more so, we can't wait to see what you do with them.